ChatGPT for Business, 10 Real-World Uses. AI is transforming businesses, and ChatGPT is leading the way. Whether you're a small business owner, a freelancer, or running a large enterprise, ChatGPT can save you time, increase productivity, and help you scale. In this video, I'll show you 10 real-world ways to use ChatGPT in business. 1. Customer support. ChatGPT can automate customer service, answering frequently asked questions 24/7. It can handle returns, refunds, troubleshooting, and more, saving businesses thousands of dollars on support teams. Plus, it can integrate with chatbots on websites, WhatsApp, and even email. 2. Email marketing. Struggling with writing emails? ChatGPT can generate compelling subject lines, email body content, and call-to-action phrases. You can use it to craft newsletters, cold outreach messages, and promotional emails that convert better. 3. Content creation. From blog posts to product descriptions, ChatGPT helps businesses generate content quickly and efficiently. Need a 1,000-word article on a trending topic? ChatGPT can write it in seconds, helping you boost your SEO and website traffic. 4. E-commerce and product recommendations. Online stores can use ChatGPT to assist customers in finding the right products. By integrating AI into your chatbot, you can provide personalized recommendations based on user preferences, leading to increased sales and customer satisfaction. 5. Market research and competitor analysis. Keeping up with industry trends is crucial. ChatGPT can summarize reports, analyze competitors, and provide insights on market trends, all in minutes. This means businesses can make data-driven decisions without spending hours on research. 6. Social media content and strategy. AI can generate social media captions, post ideas, and even script videos. Whether you need LinkedIn posts, Instagram captions, or Twitter threads, ChatGPT helps you stay consistent and engaging across all platforms. 7. Sales and lead generation. Struggling to close deals? ChatGPT can improve your sales scripts, craft persuasive pitches, and even generate personalized responses for potential clients. Use AI-powered chatbots to qualify leads and schedule calls automatically. 8. Document drafting and legal assistance. Small businesses often need contracts, NDAs, or policy documents. ChatGPT can help draft legal templates, HR policies, and even job descriptions, saving time and reducing legal costs. 9. Financial planning and budgeting. AI can help businesses plan their finances by generating cash flow forecasts, expense tracking strategies, and investment suggestions. Need a business plan? ChatGPT can draft a detailed one in minutes. 10. Online learning and course creation. If you're in the education business, ChatGPT can help you create course materials, quizzes, lesson plans, and study guides. It can also generate engaging scripts for YouTube educational content or training programs. Closing. ChatGPT is revolutionizing how businesses operate, making work faster, smarter, and more efficient. Which of these use cases will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you want more AI business strategies, don't forget to like and subscribe. Link to more AI business tips in the description.